The meaning of the word apocalypse is unveiling. So this is the unveiling of World War II. And we're going to unveil it in the proper manner. Now I apologize for the blurriness on this particular video. And the reason is this was an attempt to take some of these films and colorize them. So it doesn't come out too nice as far as being aesthetic to the eye. But we're going to go ahead and unveil World War II. I'm going to put it in slow motion. Now if that collapse up here on the screen is genuine, why would these people be just walking so casually and walk directly towards it? Now that's a good question, okay? It's because somehow it's trick photography and it's faked. It is a good one. This is what I love. Now, why is there a yellow arrow on the wall? And why does this woman run and suddenly just fall boom? Okay? So ask yourself some of these questions. I'm going to back this thing up here in a minute.
War left 50 million dead. More civilian.
Okay. Are those really people that are dead and bloody and lying in the street and people are just walking by them casually? Or are they store dummies? Mannequins? We're going to go in reverse. Slowly. Now let's imagine that it's you, you're walking the streets, and you're just walking around like nothing's happening. Oh, there's just a couple of bloody dead bodies on the street. This is normal. Whoop! There's the yellow arrow. Why? Because that's where you're going to follow for the filming. There's the people casually just walking by a exploding building. Something's a little wrong here, people. We're just out for a cat. Whoa! Where's the mat? Fall on the mat. Now, we're just strolling along here and oh my gosh, there just happens to be these bloody corpses on the street. And I think nothing of it. And the smell and the odor of the decaying corpses isn't bothering me one bit. Right? So this is the unveiling. Now they left him dressed very properly there, and the blood is administered, the paint is administered to shock you. The cameraman is not shocked, right? The people on the street are not shocked, but you're shocked, right? Oh, the children. Oh, don't worry, children. Just a couple of dead bodies over there. It's nothing. And those people standing around, we're used to this. Dead bodies. Doesn't bother us one bit. We have no respect for the dead. We're hoping that the wild dogs will come and just tear the flesh off them. Besides, we wouldn't think of giving them a proper burial, would we? Now, these photos or these films of devastated Europe by bombing are fake. You can see the background is added. And they're just filming somebody walking by a bunch of debris. And the background has been added. It's very, very clear in these particular videos, this particular series. And I think that's because they tried to colorize things. So what they did was they brought out how easy it is to see that these are, in their day and age, trick photography, or what we now would call Photoshop stuff.
Is a deeply disturbing account of the Russians' rape of German women in 1945. They grab me and throw me down. I'm lying with my head on the steps.
Okay, I'm going to stop it there, and we're going to have some more for you. This apocalypse, or the unveiling of World War II. We will unveil it the way we want to on this channel. War Backwards is Raw. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.